Do you know that a single Arabic letter can look different in a sentence? Welcome back to our gentle exploration of the Quranic script. I am glad you're here. Every Arabic letter can change shape depending on where it sits in a word. Think of it as four different close: isolated, initial, medial, and final. An isolated letter stands alone. An initial form begins a word and links to the next letter. A medial form joins both the previous and next letters. A final form ends a word and connects only to the left side. Understanding these shapes is key to reading fluently. Let's see the letter B in action. Isolated, B. Initial, B. Medial, B. Final, B. In the Quran, we find B in many words. For example, bala, exclaimed; bal, careful; bel, with E; wabil, and he brought. Notice how the letter moves through all four shapes. In the word akhada, the B does not appear, but if it did, it would follow the same pattern. Now repeat after me. Be isolated, then be initial, then be medial, then be final. Let's try together. B, 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 E, B. Again, B, 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 B. Good job. Feel the difference.